Welcome to the channel. I'm Tony the Technician. Today we're going to be going into another 5 items I believe everyone should have in their garage or shop. I've done 2 other videos previous to this, one on accessories like grommets, solder connectors, hose clamps, things like that. Then I did another video on 10 chemicals like brake clean, brake and caliper grease, Loctite, things like that. In today's video we're going to be going over 5 supplies that I think everybody should keep on hand. But obviously this all depends on what type of work that you do in your shop or garage. So let's go ahead and get into these 5 items. Once again, I'll have these linked down in the description for you guys. And if you guys have any other suggestions, please feel free to drop a comment down below. And if you want to see more videos like this, please feel free to drop a comment down below. And if you haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe. Let's get into this. So first up on the list is going to be shop towels. So whether I get these ones at Walmart, they're that shop brand. I always keep more on hand. And then I also get the big tub from Harbor Freight. They're not quite as durable and a little bit rougher of a shop towel, but they work the same. They're just fine. Just depending, you know, sometimes they don't have those in stock. That's when I pick these up. I usually try and keep both on hand. So plenty of shop towels, whether you go with something like this or your actual rags. Next up are going to be latex gloves. I have a little magnetic mount that sits up above my air compressor up in there, and I usually just get the Harbor Freight 7 or 9 mil, and they work just fine. I usually use latex gloves a lot for any time I'm dealing with coolant, because I absolutely hate coolant. It's probably my most disliked chemical or fluid in a car, or when I'm spray painting or anything like that, staining, automotive, or, you know, housework. So having gloves on hand, always handy. Next up is going to be iPro, and it's looking like I've either misplaced them or my son has used them, because I usually keep them right here on the top of this drawer. Luckily I do have a lot of like Wiley X's, which are still rated for safety. So I do have plenty of other iPro, but they're all, you know, like sunglasses. So looks like I need to go out and buy another set of clear, just because anytime I'm using like my little 3-inch cutoff tool or my rotary tool, I like to use eye protection. Or if I'm working underneath of a car and I'm spraying a chemical or anything like that, or cleaning something, because then dirt always falls in. Not a good situation. So iPro or eye protection is always a good thing to keep on hand. I just end up using these the last couple times I've needed to, because I can't find my clears. I don't know where they are. The last couple of items are going to be over here. It's going to be microfiber towels. So whether you buy cheap ones and you use them just kind of for shop rags, but good microfibers, whether you're using them in the shop or if you're doing any sort of detailing, microfibers are just a great thing to have around. Very multi-purpose. I have an entire bucket down here. That's my laundry bucket. Don't worry about that. I need to do some laundry. And then last up are brushes. These are fantastic, not just for detailing cars. This one is specifically like horsehair for cleaning leather seats and stuff without damaging them. But just brushes like this, or a little bit stiffer cleaning brush like that. This is great for, you know, cleaning wheels, cleaning interior. I have a really nice soft set of these that I keep in one of my containers for cleaning like piano black and stuff in vehicles. But like this is a little bit stiffer bristle, and same thing with this one. This one's a little bit softer, but just for any time you're drilling or cleaning after doing work. Like a lot of times I'll get a bunch of dirt buildup in here or down in the crevices, and I like to keep things clean. So I'll go through with that brush and it works phenomenal. Air is great, but it usually just blows that pile of dirt or shavings, metal shavings, whatever, into another area of where I'm working. So a brush is really nice because I can just kind of sweep it out and vacuum it up, whether that be engine bay or interior or whatever you're working on in your shop and garage. Brushes like this can be absolutely fantastic, or even something like that. So that is 5 items I believe everyone should keep in their shop and garage. Please stay tuned for more videos like this. If you guys have any suggestions, please feel free to drop it down in the comments. Once again, a lot of these products will be linked down in the description for you guys. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to smash that thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.